Here we'll discuss about tuple set and dictionary. So coming to tuple, it's an ordered and immutable collection of elements. Unlike in the list is immutable, so we can add or we can remove the things from the list. But in the tuple, we cannot change the values or change the elements which are present in the tuple. So maybe I'll take a small example. So yeah, here you can see I have created a tuple with 1, 2, comma 3, and data types can be anything that can present in the tuple. But whereas unlike an array should have the same data type. So list as well as tuple can have different data types inside it. So now I'm trying to append this line. So when I try to append this line and run, so it will throw an error. So you can also check whether this function is present or not. So there is no such function called insert, or there is no such function called append, right? So there are no functions of these types in the tuple list. So these are tuples are immutable in nature. Okay, but if you want to access any element, you can do in the same way what you are doing in the list. So you can just type that, print it, and execute. So you'll be getting that. So at index 0, 1 is present, so you'll be getting that 1. So now coming to the list, or sorry, set. So which is will be under curly braces. Tuple will be under normal brackets, list will be under square brackets, and set will be under curly brackets. So if you try to repeat the number two times or any data type two times, so it will not take the identical data type or identical elements again and again. So it will not print or it will not consider. We will take for num in set, we'll just try to print that num. So when you try to do this num, it will try to get all the elements in the set and it will try to print that. Now if you try to print, so you'll be getting 1 1. Sorry, this we need to remove. I'll just remove this. So now we will be getting 1 2 3. Even there is presence of two times, but you are getting only once 2. So if you have a declaration of set, the set will take only once, even the element is present n number of times. And if you want to append two sets, maybe this is set, this is set 2. I'll be calling this as set 1. Sorry, I'll be calling this as set 1. Equals to maybe 5 6 comma 7 comma 7 comma 8, right? Now I'll just remove this. I'll try to merge these two sets. So I'll creating a new set, set 3 equals to set 2, set 1. Okay, and now I'll be using same old thing for, sorry, for num in set 3, print num. Okay, so now what, oh sorry, I forgot to the column. I think I'm missing here. So you'll be check here 1 2 3 5 6 7 8. Even though 7 is present two times, it is taken only once. Even though 2 is present two times, it is taken only once. So this is the way how you will union two sets, set 2 with set 1, right? The repetition numbers will not be present in the final set. So this is about tuples and sets. So sets are unlike tuple or list, it will not have the redundancy numbers inside it or redundancy data types inside it. So now we'll be going to the dictionary. So dictionary is a, what can I say, a special variable or a special data type that is present in Python. So a diction is Python inbuilt data structure that can have a key pair values. So it will have a unique key for any specific value what it has, right? So it can sometimes called as a dict. So dictionary is a common type of data structures that have been used in Python. Maybe I'll take this example and we can work on this example a bit, so you'll understand more in nature what exactly the dictionary means. So here myDict is a type of dictionary where I'm using this as a key, and to this key I'm assigning a value John, and the age is another key to which I'm assigning the value 30, and the city is another key to which I'm assigning New York as a value, right? So instead of that, you can also create my underscore dict is equals to dict of name equals to John, comma age equals to 30, comma city equals to New York. I forgot. I think have, oh sorry, yeah, so I, these are wrong way of thing. We need not give this at all. So that will be sufficient. So this is a way how you can assign the key value pair using the dict methodology also. This is another way of representing the dictionary. So both means the same. Okay. So now if you want to access the value of the name. So what does this carries? What does exactly the key name carries? So you just can run that. So it will be giving John. So name is John, right? So instead of specifically mention look what exactly you want or which key you want, what is the value you want, everything you can browse using this myDict of thing. So or else if you want to get all the keys that are present, so you can just see for keys in my underscore dict dot keys. So as you know, the braces that need to be done completed here. After that, print keys. So it does print all the values or all the keys here. So you can see name, age, city or the keys. So instead of keys, if you want to have the values, similarly you can present the values. So keys and values are the inbuilt syntax names. So you can just print value and you can just go values. Sorry, value. Can run this. So you'll be getting John, city and New York. So you'll be getting John 30 and New York. Sorry, John 30 and New York. Now if you want to have key and value both at a time, so you can just print key comma value mydict dot items, and you can print key as well as value. Just try to print key also. Okay, I'll just run this. So you'll be getting name John, 30, city, everything. Okay, so this is a way how we can access the for loop in which we can get the keys and values in specific for the dictionaries, right? So this has many applications where you can get into your regular work or in any specific domain. So you can also browse if you want to have any other methods in specific. Sorry, dot. So you'll be getting all these methods you can use into pop up any specific key. So you can just pop the value and you can give that name. So I'll just remove that my name dot pop. Now I'll just run this. So now we can check how exactly what does it happen. So now you can see there is no name key and there is no name value also. I've completely removed that key value pair which is starting with the name. which is starting with the name option or name uh, value. Okay, so in this way you can remove that key value pair also, and you can yeah, you can just browse any method you want which is attached to it by clicking dot. You can just understand by self, so pop item, or you can get any specific value of this that key. So it's like you can get and you just type name, right? So the other way, and you can just print this. Sorry, I'll just type here print. Okay, I'll just remove this. We can just get the John. Okay, so this is about tuple set and dictionary.